Action cameras for road trips. Title: Action cameras for road trips. Capturing adventures on the open road. Introduction. Road trips are an exhilarating way to explore the world, offering us a chance to escape the monotony of daily life and discover new places. Whether you are embarking on a solo adventure or traveling with friends and loved ones, documenting these memories is essential. With the rise in popularity of action cameras, we now have the perfect companion for capturing every thrilling moment of our road trips. In this article, we will explore the world of action cameras and how they enhance our road trip experiences. 1. What are action cameras? Action cameras are compact, lightweight, and versatile devices designed specifically to capture high-quality video and photos in various environments. They are built to withstand harsh conditions, making them perfect for capturing adventures on the road. 2. Why choose action cameras for road trips? 1. Durability and versatility. Action cameras are built to withstand extreme conditions, making them ideal companions for road trips. Whether you're biking through rugged terrains, hiking up mountains, or exploring coastal roads, these cameras can handle the challenge. Most action cameras are waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, ensuring they can withstand the elements and the occasional accidental drop. They are designed to be used in a hands-free manner, which allows you to focus on your adventure while still capturing stunning footage. 2. Wide-angle lens. One of the standout features of action cameras is their wide-angle lens. This allows you to capture breathtaking panoramic views, showcasing the full essence of the surroundings. Whether you're cruising along scenic routes or passing iconic landmarks, you can capture the entirety of the scene without missing any details. The wide-angle lens also adds a captivating perspective, making your footage more immersive and dynamic. 3. Image and video stabilization. Road trips are often filled with bumpy rides and unstable surfaces. Action cameras come equipped with advanced image stabilization technology to ensure your footage remains smooth and steady, even in turbulent conditions. This feature reduces shakiness and blurriness caused by vibrations and movement, resulting in professional-looking videos that are a pleasure to watch. 4. Wide range of mounting options. Action cameras offer a vast array of creative mounting options, allowing you to attach them to various parts of your vehicle or gear. Whether you want to mount them on the dashboard, windshield, handlebars, or even attach them to your helmet, action cameras provide the flexibility to capture unique perspectives and angles. These mounting options give you the freedom to experiment and create captivating footage that showcases your road trip adventures from different viewpoints. 3. Features to consider when choosing an action camera. 1. Video resolution and frames per second, FPS. When selecting an action camera for your road trip, consider the video resolution and frames per second, FPS, it offers. Higher resolution, such as 4K or Ultra HD, provides stunningly detailed footage. Additionally, a higher FPS ensures smoother video playback, especially for fast-paced activities like driving or biking. 2. Battery life. Long-lasting battery life is crucial when you're on the road. Look for action cameras that offer extended battery power to ensure you can capture your entire journey without interruptions. Some models even include replaceable batteries, allowing you to switch them out when necessary. 3. Connectivity. In an era of instant sharing, connectivity features are essential. Choose an action camera that offers Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, enabling you to transfer your footage wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet. This makes it easier to edit, share, and store your road trip memories on the go. 4. Additional features. Some action cameras come with additional features such as built-in GPS, voice control, touchscreen displays, and advanced editing options. Consider which features are important to you and choose a camera that suits your needs and preferences. 4. Popular action camera brands for road trips. 1. GoPro. GoPro is arguably the most well-known action camera brand, synonymous with adventure and durability. Their cameras offer top-notch image and video quality, exceptional stabilization, and a wide range of compatible accessories. The brand's GoPro Hero series is highly recommended for road trips due to its ruggedness, versatility, and its suitability for various outdoor activities. 2. DJI Osmo Action. DJI, renowned for its drone technology, offers the Osmo Action camera, which is a strong competitor to the GoPro series. The Osmo Action boasts excellent image stabilization, dual screens, and impeccable video quality. Its unique Rocksteady stabilization feature ensures silky smooth footage in all conditions, making it a reliable choice for road trip enthusiasts. 4.3 Sony Action Cam. Sony has long been a leader in the camera industry, and their action cameras are no exception. The Sony Action Cam series provides exceptional image quality, high frame rates, and numerous shooting modes. These cameras also offer advanced image stabilization technology, ensuring your footage remains steady, even during the bumpiest parts of your road trip. 5. Tips for using action cameras on road trips. 5.1 Plan and test. Before embarking on your road trip, familiarize yourself with your action camera and its settings. Test different mounting options and angles to find the best configurations for capturing your adventures. Plan ahead and ensure you have all the necessary accessories for mounting your camera securely. 5.2 Keep extra batteries and memory cards. To avoid running out of power or storage space, always carry extra batteries and memory cards. Road trips can be long and unpredictable, so it's essential to have backups to ensure you don't miss out on any exciting moments. 5.3 Use protective cases and lens covers. While action cameras are built to withstand tough conditions, it's still a good idea to use protective cases and lens covers. These accessories help protect your camera from scratches, dust, and accidental damage, ensuring it stays in pristine condition throughout your journey. 5.4 Experiment with different shooting modes. Most action cameras offer various shooting modes, such as time-lapse, burst mode, and slow motion. Experiment with these modes to add variety and creativity to your footage. Time-lapse videos can capture stunning sunsets or the changing scenery as you drive, while burst mode is perfect for capturing fast-paced action, such as sports or wildlife encounters. 5.5 Tell a story. Don't just focus on capturing individual moments, try to tell a story with your footage. Record snippets of conversations, scenic views, and memorable encounters to create a captivating narrative of your road trip. Additionally, make use of video editing software to enhance your footage and add music or voiceovers that further immerse viewers in your journey. 6. Editing and sharing your road trip footage. 6.1 Choose the right editing software. Once you've captured your road trip footage, it's time to bring it to life through editing. There are several editing software options available, ranging from beginner-friendly applications to more advanced programs. Choose a software that suits your skill level and offers the features you need to create a polished final product. 6.2 Organize and sort your footage. Before diving into the editing process, take the time to organize and sort through your footage. Delete any unnecessary clips and categorize your content based on locations, activities, or themes. This will make it easier to navigate through your footage and select the best moments to include in your final video. 6.3 Add transitions and effects. Transitions and effects can add a professional touch to your road trip video. Experiment with different transitions, such as fade-ins, fade-outs, or wipes, to smooth out the flow between clips. Additionally, consider adding effects like color grading or filters to enhance the visual appeal of your footage and create a cohesive look throughout the video. 6.4 Incorporate music and sound effects. Music plays a crucial role in setting the mood and enhancing the storytelling aspect of your road trip video. Choose tracks that align with the emotions and atmosphere of your journey. Consider using a combination of background music, ambient sounds, and even sound effects to bring your video to life. 6.5 Trim and fine-tune. During the editing process, trim your clips to remove any unnecessary or dull moments. Pay attention to pacing and ensure that your video flows smoothly from one scene to the next. Fine-tune the color, brightness, and saturation of your footage to achieve a consistent and visually appealing look. 6.6 Export and share. Once you're satisfied with your edited video, export it in a suitable format for sharing and preserving. Choose a high-resolution output that maintains the quality of your footage. Depending on your preference, you can upload your video to social media platforms, share it privately with friends and family, or even showcase it on a personal website or blog. 7. Must-have accessories for action cameras on road trips. 7.1 Waterproof housing. While many action cameras are waterproof on their own, using a dedicated waterproof housing adds an extra layer of protection, especially for activities like swimming, snorkeling, or kayaking. It ensures that your camera remains safe and dry, allowing you to capture stunning underwater footage. 7. Selfie sticker tripod. A selfie sticker tripod is invaluable when you want to capture your